This is how I deposited 100k Flash USDT in my Binance wallet. Let's type in 100k and click on generate and wait for a few minutes. And boom, we had just received 100k USDT in our Binance. Let's open our wallet to check on the arrival of 100k. Let me refresh my wallet one more time and wait for my deposit confirmation. And boom, we had just received Flash USDT in our Binance Spot wallet. We gonna click on history to see our transaction TXID or hash ID, and here is the confirmation blockchain ID. Now let's demonstrate how to generate Flash USDT from scratch.
Unstoppable, yeah, unstoppable. I'm unstoppable, yeah, unstoppable. I'm unstoppable, yeah, unstoppable. I'm unstoppable, yeah, unstoppable.